Hi everyone, thanks for signing up for this Linux and AWS Cloud Hands-on Intensive Training course. My name is Mukhtar Kabir. I am a certified information system security professional, a certified cloud security professional, AWS certified solutions architect professional, AWS certified DevOps engineer professional, and AWS solutions architect associate certified. I have years of experience as a solutions architect in cloud computing. The goal of this hands-on training course is to teach you some of the most important hands-on skills you need to get started using Linux and AWS. This is especially important for those looking to get into cloud computing, to become a solutions architect in AWS Cloud, become a cloud architect, a cloud engineer, Linux server administrator, or DevOps engineer. The focus of this hands-on training course will be specifically on AWS Cloud and Linux. As more and more companies move to the cloud, it becomes even more important to learn how to use Linux servers, as these are the most popular in the industry. Reason why? I have included a hands-on Linux section in this training course. We will be using the most popular cloud computing platform, AWS, to learn some of the most important Linux commands before we jump into the hands-on section of AWS. Please note that in the AWS section, I do have notes on the different AWS services covered in this training course. We won't be spending too much time on theory, as you can always go back and read those in my slides. We will spend more time going straight to doing the hands-on labs that I have prepared for this training course. These are the different topics we will be covering in this hands-on training course. I hope you are as excited to learn them as I am in teaching them to you. As a prerequisite, if you are new to the field of IT and not familiar with these third-party resources I have listed in the highly recommended and prerequisite slides, I highly recommend that you take the time to go over these at some point. Please sign up for an AWS account, and please again make sure, if you are new to the field of IT, that you go over all of these different articles, videos, as well as this listed right here. These are the links to the different important documents that you need for this class, as I have listed here. Also, going through the tabs that I have opened, this is the link to the different class files that you need for this course. I always like to put this in this view. Look at what I'm doing here. I will be clicking right on the top right here to change the view for this Google Drive that I have for you in this course. This is the final exam for this course. So yes, I do have a final exam to test your knowledge on what you have learned in this course. Here is the tab to the template resume that I have prepared for you to make you stand out from the crowd as you start to apply to the different jobs. For those of you that have seen my YouTube videos, you know that I am a big fan of whiteboarding as opposed to displaying and walking through pre-built diagrams. I believe students learn better as I walk through the different diagrams, building them right in front of you. With that said, I need your help to update this course. If you do all of the hands-on labs and notice that the page I have does not look like what you are seeing on your screen, it's probably because AWS has changed the look of the page. Please email tickets@YesCertified.p.tawk to request an update of the lab. With that said, please make sure to be in your AWS console as you see shown here on my screen. Thank you all, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.